In Module 2, we'll discuss federal courts, civil liberties, and civil rights. The focus of Article 3 of the Constitution is the judicial branch. In this module, we'll gain an understanding of the workings of the court system divided up into the following sections. In Section 2.1, we'll talk about the structure and processes of the judicial system. We'll learn about the evolution of the Supreme Court and the different types of rulings it issues. In Module 2.2, the development of civil rights and civil liberties by judicial implementation, we'll talk about the key role the court plays in the development of civil rights and civil liberties. We'll also go over some of the key court cases in America's struggle with these topics. In the third section, we'll talk about the Bill of Rights. When the framers of the Constitution adjourned their secret meeting in the Philadelphia Convention Hall in September of 1787, in a concession to George Mason of Virginia and other proponents of individual rights, it was understood that some states would only ratify the document with the inclusion of the Bill of Rights. We'll go over these first 10 amendments here. In Module 2.4, Incorporation of the Bill of Rights, we'll talk about everything you'll need to know about the first 3 amendments to the Bill of Rights in detail. And finally, we'll talk about equal protection and due process. Here we'll discuss the amendments 4 through 10, as well as the 14th Amendment, the basis for due process and equal protection of the laws, which every American is entitled to. Let's get started.